Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while and we're doing like a vlog style today, kind of like a day in the life. I'm actually on vacation, amazing, for the next 2 weeks until the new year, which is really amazing. So I'm gonna show you a day in the life. If you follow me on my other socials, you have seen that my dog, my world, my angel, she just had surgery on her knee. She tore her ACL. From that situation, I have been really pressed to my limits when it comes to my anxiety and being overwhelmed and controlling my emotions. I have not done a good job. So yeah, I figured I would show you guys like a few things that I like to do in the morning to really set my day up for success and make myself feel like a lot more in control. So I think because the fact that I am a type A personality, the need to like control and plan and know what's next has caused me to feel a little bit more overwhelmed lately because things have been very much so out of my control. Let's go downstairs and get this day started. I'm gonna finish my greens and start journaling. Okay, I'm just getting ready to do a little yoga here. Just a 20-minute full body stretch yoga for just a little bit of movement into my day. It is a rest day technically, and I'm trying really hard to be more strict with my rest days. A lot of the time in the past, I would be like, oh, it's a rest day, but I feel good, so I'm just gonna go for another run, or I'm just gonna do another like leg day or whatever. It was not sore type of thing. So anyway, I'm trying really hard not to do that anymore. I'm trying to focus on giving my body lots of rest because the running, like I run long distance, and the lifting, obviously, that's a lot on your body. And so I'm trying really hard not to do that anymore. And if I wake up and I'm like, wow, I really need to move my body or I need to do something, I'll go for a walk. Or I'll do like a stretch yoga type of thing at home most of the time. So the YouTuber that I really love following, especially for like stretch and yoga, but she has like really awesome ab ones and stuff like that too. Her name's Mad Fit. You've probably heard of her. She has like almost 9 million subscribers. So the one that I'm doing today is called a 20-minute full body stretching yoga for stress and anxiety relief. I think it'll be good. So let's get into this. I usually always work out in the basement because we have a gym down there, but Hemi's just like around the corner over there, and I want to be able to hear her. I know I'm being like a helicopter dog mom, but it's only day 2, so I feel like maybe as the days progress, I'll get a little bit better. But yeah, this morning I'm definitely gonna stay close by, trying to give her space, but still be close by. So let's get into this.
Back, feel a stretch in those shoulders, and then roll through, come forward, almost through a cat pose, and stretch it out, and back, and forward. And come down as far as you can. If you can place your forehead on the mat, that's great. If you have a yoga block.
All right, just got out of the shower. I am just putting myself together a little bit so I feel like I can be super productive. But I don't know if I've ever talked about this product here, but it is my everyday product for skin. If I want something more full coverage, I'll use this in combo with something else, but most of the time I just use this. This is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. Has SPF 40, it's fantastic. In the summer months, I was ST10, and now I've dropped to ST9 Paloma since I've lost most of my tan, which is very unfortunate. Going in with a little, oh, that's not the right color, but that's okay. A little concealer. I'm gonna have to put something else on top of that because that is not, okay, that's better. I don't know what it is, but for some reason, if I have a little bit, like it doesn't even have to be a full face, just a little bit of makeup on, I feel so much more productive. I actually feel less tired for whatever reason. And another big one is I don't touch my face. Like if I'm not wearing makeup, I will pick at my face, I will touch my face, like it's so bad. So that's one of the reasons why most days I will pop on just a little bit. I would say about 75% of the time, I put makeup on and I love it. It just like, I like getting ready for the day. I like putting makeup on. I just, yeah, for those reasons I said earlier, and for the fact that I just genuinely enjoy it is mainly why. So anyway. Okay guys, it is actually 11:17 now. I was just on FaceTime with my sister for like over an hour. So needed. I just needed to chat with a loved one and it felt really good. We're gonna make a cup of coffee and clean up our kitchen. It's getting a little wild in here, so let's get that going. Also, I got a new coffee maker and I'm so obsessed with the simplicity of drip coffee and like just Keurig. I love it. Anyway, I do still have the Nespresso, but I'm gonna get rid of it because I honestly prefer the Keurig. Okay, I'm very particular about the way I fold my clothes, which I think is like a very big trend. I see it all the time online. But anyway, I thought I'd show you how I fold my leggings. So I lay them flat like this and fold them in once. And then I'll take this part and just fold it in so it gives like a complete straight line. And then fold the leg all the way over basically to the top of the band. And then I'll do 1 roll, 2 roll, 3 roll. And then it gives you this like perfect, oh, you can barely see that. Great. Okay, that's better. And then it gives you this like perfect little like roll. And I used to fold them into the pant itself, but it honestly takes so much longer and I find these look just as neat and tidy in the actual drawer, which I'll show you in a second. I really just love the way this looks. I think it looks so neat and tidy. And then when I pull out my drawer, I know, okay, I want to wear pink. Here they are, red, blah, 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 blah. And then the second drawer is like mainly all black or dark colors at least. So this one is my most used one because I do wear black leggings a lot. So I'll just kind of pop these in there like such. And I have more at the back. I hang all my sports bras, short sleeves, long sleeves in sweaters. I kind of fold up at the top. The ones that I like to wear the most I put up there. But honestly, I do really want to redo this entire closet. I want to add like a second bar. So this is definitely a 2024 project because I would love to hang more of my stuff and get rid of the Alex drawers eventually because right now they take up like quite a bit of space in my office. These two are full of like makeup and hair stuff and then this one's like all athletic. So I'm just trying to re-envision what this is gonna look like. But again, 2024 project. All right guys, I'm done with chores. I honestly, I always kick myself because when I'm on vacation from work, I feel like I don't take advantage of the resting and I kind of just like complain like, oh, I'm bored, I don't really know what to do. So I am going to spend the rest of the afternoon reading. I'm gonna do some physiotherapy with Hemi. To give a little background, Hemi tore her ACL. It was a degenerative tear, which means basically it didn't happen from trauma. It just happened over time. So she had a little bit of a limp like a year ago, and it was like very off and on. She'd get it like once a month. She would kind of limp a little bit. And it started gradually getting worse and worse and more consistent. And once it got to the point where we could do surgery to repair the knee, that's what we did. But I don't want to show her because it's still, you know, her surgery was only 2 days ago and her leg is completely shaved and it's a little, I don't want to say gory, it's just not necessarily something that I think people want to see. So I'm gonna spend some time with her. She's sleeping still right now. I'm gonna take her out. It's a whole process to move her around the house. So I'm gonna take her out quickly and see if she wants to go to the bathroom. bring her back in, do a little physiotherapy and ice treatment, and then I think we're gonna spend the rest of the afternoon just cuddling, and I'm gonna read my book. I'm reading right now, let me show you. I'm reading right now Crescent City, the first one. This is House of Earth and Blood. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not very far in though. So I'm gonna spend most of the afternoon reading and just relaxing and spending time with my girl. I'm really trying to get back into YouTubing. I miss it. It's fun having like longer form conversations and stuff like that with you all. I honestly love vlogging on TikTok. I vlog my mornings almost every single day. I find I do the most in the morning. I'm a morning bird. I naturally like to wake up earlier and get things done in the morning as opposed to at night, which is why I find I don't really vlog that much at night. But I do really want to bring those longer style vlogs, like more in depth, kind of like behind the scenes. I'll still do makeup reviews and stuff like that, and I still love doing that, so that's definitely not going to go away. I just might start incorporating more vlogs into the mix as well. So I am really excited to get back into YouTube, and you guys, it's going to be a great year. We are feeling really, really hopeful that 2024 is going to be an amazing year. So nonetheless, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog and it wasn't too boring, because I know I'm just kind of pitter-pattering around the house. But thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next one.